Hi everyone, welcome to the Touch to Click channel. Today in this video we'll show you how to copy DVD with VLC Media Player step by step so you can back up your favorite movies or save DVDs to your computer. Now let's get started. Step 1. First open VLC Media Player on your computer, then click on the Media tab in the top left corner and select Convert to Save from the drop-down menu in the new window that opens. Go to the Disk tab. This is where you tell VLC you want to work with a DVD. Step 2. Under Disk Selection, choose DVD, then click Browse to locate your DVD drive. Go to this PC or my computer to find the DVD under Devices and Drives. Select it and click Open. This will load the DVD into VLC for conversion. Step 3. Return to the Convert or Save window and click Convert Save at the bottom. This will open the Convert window where you can set the output file options. This step is necessary to choose how and where your DVD will be saved. Step 4. In the Profile section, select the output format. For most cases, MP4 with H.264 is best as it is widely compatible with other devices. If you need a different format like AVI or MKV, click the settings icon next to the profile to customize it. Step 5. Choose the destination where you want to save the converted file. Click Browse under the Destination section, select a folder, give your file a name, and make sure the file extension matches the format you chose earlier, then click Save. Step 6. Finally click. Start to begin the conversion. VLC will rip the DVD and save it as a video file on your computer. Once complete, your DVD is successfully copied and ready to use. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the Touch to Click channel for more helpful VLC and tech tutorials.